Vanessa here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm coming back with another TikTok tutorial for you guys. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a shake tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys two different types of shakes, the normal shake and also like the ripple shake. And also you guys can currently see that somehow it is sunny today, so I'm going to be doing the shake in the sun, which by the way, a little tip and little advice, when you do the shake in the sunlight or when you do it outside, sometimes it just turns out much better. I don't know why, but it just looks much better on the camera. But without further ado, let's get straight into this TikTok tutorial. So I just set up my tripod because the lighting is like a little bit off, but I'm gonna move a little bit when I'm doing the shake. I'm pretty sure that the lighting should be pretty decent. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok already, definitely go and follow my TikTok account. It is at inspiringv. I'm currently trying to hit 1,000 followers right now. And first of all, I'm gonna go onto my favorite or my saved sounds, and I'm gonna try and find one that obviously has like a shake sound to it. Okay, so I'm going to do this one, and first of all I'm going to show you guys how you do the shake. I don't know why my camera quality is like super bad right now, but the first thing you're going to need to do is you just, obviously you film it and then you go like that. So people do it really crazily, or people move their phone up and down. It will literally show that you're moving your phone up and down, which doesn't really like show the actual like good effect of it. So the best thing to do is to shake it like this. Don't move it up and down, just shake it while it's in your hand. I usually hold it like this, and also I have a new phone case, so that is why I don't also have a pop socket. So if you guys do have pop sockets, or if you guys have a phone case that you don't mind putting a pop socket on, then definitely get a pop socket, because it will be much easier to do TikToks in general and also do the shake. So now I'm just going to quickly move the angle of the camera and also try and clear out my lens because it looks really weird right now. Okay, so I literally just like tried to clean my lens, so now it is pretty clear and I'm happy with it. So first of all, you're going to need to find a place in your house somewhere where when the sun is literally glowing on your face. But first we're going to go into our sound, and when the minute that you go into your beat or the beat drops, you're gonna have to straight away stay in the same place, because people will literally move and then they'll move and then they'll do the shake, which means it looks way less smoother. So definitely stay in the same place, and then that way your shake will look much better as well. So we're just going to start filming. I always do it in fast, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna move to the side over here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to stay here in this position, and then we're going to go into the slow-mo, and then we're going to just start doing this, okay? So we're going to go, and then we're going to see how the shake turned out. So if you want like a really big ripple, then that's basically how you do it. So on to the next one, which is going to be the ripple. So that one is basically just like a normal shake. If you guys want to like learn how to do like the Andre Swilly shakes, you're going to have to go and watch another tutorial, because I've got no idea how you do a shake like that, because I know that it looks super cool and I haven't reached that certain level of advanced shaking yet in TikTok. So definitely go and check out some other tutorials from other, like, I don't know, bigger TikTokers, because then they'll probably know all the tips on how to do like that ideal Andre Swilly shake. And if you guys don't know what I mean, it's basically this.
I got link and some 40 in my red car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't know this.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the ripple shake. So we're going to do the same sound on all 3 of them. So I'm just going to start screen recording so you guys can see the angle and everything. So I'm going to start off by going into the sunlight, which I basically already am. I'm playing on fast as well. And then the ripple shake is you basically do it very, very tiny, but it's very, very fast. So don't start doing it really vigorously, otherwise it will look like the first one, if that makes sense. So just like the tiny little difference makes a huge difference when you watch it on the actual video. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Okay. And then we're just going to stay in the same position, as you guys know, and then we're just going to do it really tiny like this. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. so you guys can see what difference it makes, because obviously once you shake it a lot, then it makes a huge difference. So I hope you guys kind of see the difference between it and how you can do a ripple shake and an original shake. Alright, I know that the shake to like transition tutorial isn't really part of like the shake part, and a lot of people like see that as a transition, but I know that it's basically still part of doing a transition and doing the shake, so I decided to just teach you guys how to do that as well. So I recently did one, and it was basically like you shake and then you move it, and then you shake and then you move it, and then it does, and the beat drops, and then that's when you do like your final shake. I sound like I'm speaking complete nonsense right now, but you guys will see what I mean. So I'm gonna put my screen recording back on, and yes, I'm going to be filming it in fast. So we're also going to be using the 3x as well, so make sure you stay tuned and you watch carefully on like how the speed moves, because that also makes a massive difference in your transition or your shake. So I'm going to do it on the beat, obviously with this sound. Okay, so I'm going to do shake first, then I'm going to go to the 3x, oh, that didn't do right, and we're gonna do slow one. Okay, and now we're gonna see what it looks like. So basically, you move, and it actually looks quite cool. I'm not that much into the sunlight as I usually would be on my TikToks, but just because of the camera lighting and for the sake of the video. But now it's come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video and you also love doing the shakes. Also, don't forget to comment down below which one is your favorite. Do you like the vigorous shake where it looks like a huge ripple, or do you like just the ripple shake, which is basically just like a tiny shake? Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the red button down below, and that way you guys become a part of the Inspirators family. And also, don't forget to go and check out my past TikTok tutorials. I've done them on Sass Wars and some of the new trends that have been coming up on TikTok. So if you guys want to see how you do those, definitely go and check out my TikTok tutorial playlist. It will be in the I button in the corner over here, or in the description down below. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!